Newbie Guide: How to Become an Ethereum Millionaire. We all know there's a ton of money to be made in cryptocurrency, but what if I told you that it doesn't take an expert trader with hours of experience, or even any experience at all? My name is Wayne, and I want to show you how anyone can become an Ethereum millionaire. It doesn't matter if you're new to the crypto world, have never invested before, are terrified about investing. This video will show you exactly how. So let me show you now. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that has already seen major growth in the past few years, but it's still not well known by most people. If you want to be part of this phenomenal growth, here are some beginner tips on how you can start investing in Ethereum. This video will give you all the information you need to get started with your investment and make sure that it's worth your time and money. We'll cover everything from what Ethereum is to how much it costs and where to buy it. Hi, the Crypto Cell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. Buy Ether with fiat currency. Ether can be bought with a variety of different currencies, but it's smart to start by purchasing Ether in fiat. Fiat currency means bills that are printed and issued only by government authority, like euros or pounds, as opposed to cryptocurrencies which use cryptography for security purposes instead. You'll want an exchange platform where you're able to choose from between multiple options when converting your bitcoins into ethers, thus ensuring compatibility across all exchanges globally. So make sure you do research first before buying anything online. Purchase a Ledger Nano S hardware wallet. The Ledger Nano S is a hardware wallet that authenticates transactions and secures your digital assets. It comes with 2 independently generated passwords to protect you against theft or loss of funds, as well as an elegant design suitable for everyday use. Find an exchange to trade your Ether for other cryptocurrencies. You can trade your Ether for other cryptocurrencies on an exchange. Some of the most popular exchanges are Coinbase and Kraken, but there's also Bitcoin ID, in case you want to go back into fiat currency, or if trading fees are too expensive with Coinbase. They typically charge about 1%. Set up a cryptocurrency portfolio and diversify your holdings. Diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio and set up a diversified investment strategy today. Cryptocurrencies are volatile assets. Don't put all of the eggs in one basket. Create a diverse collection with different coins from different providers. So if something happens to go belly up, you'll still have money coming out alive on day 2, because who doesn't want their last dollar? Monitor the markets and make trades based on market trends. Trading is the lifeblood of any market, and with crypto trading being all about momentum, it's essential that you keep your eye on what matters. The best way for traders who want to be successful at this game: watch out for dips in prices so they can buy low before things start going up again. Ethereum is on its way to being a trillion-dollar industry. If you want to be part of this phenomenal growth, here are some beginner tips on how you can start investing in Ethereum. Whether you're looking for the best cryptocurrency exchange or just need help with your first trade, our team will provide expert advice and guidance so that you don't have to go it alone. We've got everything from beginner guides about trading cryptocurrencies to detailed reviews of exchanges like Coinbase Pro, if that's more up your alley. Our experts will also answer any questions you may have about specific coins or what crypto wallets are good for beginners. These aren't easy times, but they sure are exciting ones. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing ebook, which will teach you everything from A to Z. You may also want to look into other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, if you're looking for something else worth investing in outside of Bitcoin. With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier when it comes down to deciding between Shiba Inu coin and Cardano. What is the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin? Feel free to comment below. We can do more research on this topic with your information and send me an emoji below with the topic you're struggling with and would like to see more content about our experts, will help you with that. This next video is going to be really cool, and you should subscribe to my channel while it's still free. I think you can learn a lot from our experts, and it would make me happy to have you as a part of my subscriber family. Feel free to share this with anyone you think might also enjoy it.